Hello, this is my 20-inch 2-speed reversible Emerson box fan. This one has a PSC motor, thermostat, 2-speed reversible. Very heavy, very well-made fan, well-made box fan. I haven't done a whole lot of work to this. This one will probably need a repaint, though I don't know if I'm going to get into all of that. I don't normally repaint my fans unless I really have to, and this one's borderline. Needs a repaint. All this paint flake and all these little paint dots and stuff, that'll all come off with some isopropyl alcohol. It's missing the original handle. It would have been like a modern style, like cabinet T handle. That's long gone, so it just has this guitar amp handle on it at the moment. Went through it, cleaned it up, and oiled it, all that good stuff. It's interesting how this blade has a set screw and a lock ring on it. Probably because it's reversible, but I've never seen that on a box fan before like that. Not a 20-inch one, not a 20-inch one anyway. Yeah, very sturdy cabinet. I replaced the capacitor in this because it was well, it didn't look like it was leaking. It was smelling pretty foul. So that's the it was a 285 volt 3 microfarad cap in this box. It's a Sprague old thing. But yeah, even taking it out of the box, it's it's nasty smelling. It was still good. It was still starting up and working and everything, but I went ahead and replaced it, and I replaced it with a 3 microfarad 370 volt. So, because those are very cheap and readily available, so that's what I put in it. I'm sure I could have found a 285 volt one if I looked hard enough, but it really doesn't matter for the voltage as long as you go up. That's more like a voltage. That's more like a voltage limit, somewhat. But anyways, let's start it up on intake, high speed. Oh, shoot. Nope, that was wrong. Wrong way. There we go. There's low speed intake. Very quick startup because of that PSC motor with that aluminum blade. This thing on low draws about half an amp. So it's, and on high it's little over an amp, about an amp or so. It's pretty efficient for a box fan of this era. I can tell you, it's got plenty of power. It's got plenty of power. Of course, reverse works on this. It blows something over. Put that back. It's a very neat fan. Once I found out these had a PSC motor in them, I was like, yeah, I've got to have one. Now I do. Condition's a little rough, but you know, it's a really cool fan. I was using this the other day in the garage. It was great. It was missing the little cap here. I made one out of a piece of a pop can, the inside of a pop can. Although it's not concave in the center like this one though. Works pretty well. Actually, no, that's a lid off a cashew can. Yeah, that's what that is. But yeah, very neat fan, very interesting. How they got those two bolts just so close together, like that. Love the badge. It's really neat. It goes with the square cabinet. And that color. Anyways, that's it for me. Later.